So I'm going to give you a look at our Holstein omelet pan, and it actually just came up to temperature. I don't know if you saw that, but the green light just came on, and green light means go. So this pan has a bunch of non-stick surfaces and the ability to cook 2 things at a time. So if you have family that likes, one person likes omelets with onions and somebody else likes their omelets with some sausage or something like that, you can cook them separate omelets at the same time. I'm going to show you what the reservoirs look like once you fill them up. This is about 3 eggs worth. You can see you can fit about 3 eggs in there very easily for a good omelet-sized portion. And since our green light is on, we can close this up and it will cook on both sides. It's non-stick, but you can't remove the plates. So when you're done cooking with this particular gadget, you do have to just wipe out the inside. So non-stick that when you wipe it, all the stuff comes just right out of it. I just want to show you what this looks like about halfway through the cooking process. You can see that the egg is starting to firm up around the edges on the bottom, and you can see that this top plate, it is hollowed out, but it's providing heat over the top of the egg. So we're gonna let it keep cooking for a little while longer.
Minutes.
Yeah. So our egg is done. It has been a few minutes, let's say maybe 5 minutes. You can see that the egg comes right out. It is very fluffy. You can see that. Look at the height on that omelet. That is amazing. So once you pull your egg out, you can clean this up with the damp cloth. You can see there's not really much to clean, which makes it, that's one of the pluses about this kind of thing. The other thing you can use this for if you're not an egg person is something like an apple turnovers. There are some frozen, desserts and things that need to be warmed up. You pop that in here in one of these reservoirs, close it down, let it heat up. It'll be a nice even heat, and that'll also cook like a frozen pastry pretty nicely. So that's a look at the Holstein omelet pan that can cook in a variety of different things in those 2 little reservoirs.